the area that I feel most discomfort in my foot is the arch.
Arch.
Yeah.
This one.
On that side. That's the spot. There's also, I feel there's also different types of pain.
Yeah.
You have to discern like the pain, because there's like a pain that allows you to grow, and there's the pain that you can also say stop. I think in one of our previous sessions there was a different pain when we had done like the stretch on the knee, and that's like puncturing, whereas this one is just a throbbing pain with, how to describe it, the throbbing, and also you feel it like radiate, and as it radiates, it just dissipates.
Yeah.
Yes. So I think it's also for people to get comfortable with pain.
Yeah. Yeah, because I've noticed working with you is just that the pain, the more I work on the pain, the more it get less and less and less.
Yeah. And you also know that
I know that.
you know that when I feel pain somewhere, you focus on that area. So, I know. So I'm always like, okay, he knows that there's a lot of sensation here. Let's prepare for that.
So that's the problem. A lot of people,
Yeah.
that getting body work, that they can't handle the pain. When if I see you, when I work on the pain, and then when I take off my hands and I'm not working, and you have no pain, that means there's a muscle problem, there's a lot of lack of oxygen and lack of blood supply. So I keep working on it.
Yeah.
And then I said, enough, I don't want it anymore. But that's what I get.
Yeah.
Well, I want to help you to release it, but well, stop.
I know. I even, there's moments that I'm like, I really want him to stop, and I tell myself, it's like, no, you have to keep going. You have to work through it. Because I mean, this happened in our first session too. With there was some severe pain in the meniscus area, and he really worked with this mallet. And I mean, I was screaming to the top of my lungs, but the pain was necessary to go through it. And I can definitely feel that. It's been around a month since that session, and it's been incredible, the change in the healing of that, because you know the pain got there for a reason, but then you have to let go of the pain. So it's like, I think that's also something that it's the meditative process of that too, is recognizing how the pain got there and why, and through that recognition you let go of it, and you have to experience it. It's like with things in life, you have to name things and you have to take things at face value, because otherwise you're just keeping them in. You have to confront things, conversations, facts about life. So I think it's the same thing with your body and the sensations that are in there.
So this is what I use to his meniscus, you know. Lot of fascia in here, so I just smash it.
I was screaming really loudly,
like this. Yeah. And then a month later,
I have no pain. It's, you know, and I try to, you know, and of course you also have to do your follow up yourself, and so I was being very intentional about working in that area and massaging it, and you know, the first couple days it was still kind of the soreness and kind of the lingering pain, but then now I'm like, nope, there's nothing there.
You know, a lot of every day I have knee pain, meniscus pain, like, oh, I don't have a meniscus anymore, I have a surgery, I have, you know, they take it off, the doctor took it off, you know, 20 years ago when I was young, you know, and you can regrow. You can, once the ligaments in here, the tendons are connected to the patella, you know, you just need to take care of it, tender, loving care, because we overuse it, we bend all the time. We use it all the time, so you need nurturing care. And how I do it, it's my secret. Come to Milo Bodywork. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming.
Oh, that was awesome.